Okay guys, we're in the calibrated mode for the Bravia core, and it's not that good in my opinion because it basically gives you a general setting for everybody's TV, no matter if you have the A80J, A90J. And my proof is this. Here's Spider-Man. I'm going to go down and show you real quick that the Bravia core is on, it's calibrated. And then I'm going to back out right quick here, and then I'm going to switch it to off. And then it'll go into a professional calibrated mode from Sammy Prescott. And here we go. So here, boom. Look at the detail that just came in the picture, if you guys could see that. Tremendous amount of more detail. The picture's not blown out. The basic thing here is this has been calibrated for this particular TV. This is the detail and difference you get versus a broad range setting for everybody's TV. And this gives you the example of the quality that you get with a good calibrated TV. And I'll go back down here. So the custom settings are on from Sammy Prescott. And if I switch them to the calibrated mode back on, everything just got brighter, loss of detail, loss of, there's more saturation in the red in the mask. So it's oversaturated on my end. The camera kind of exploits it just a little bit too much in certain areas, but if I'll switch it back to the calibrated mode again, that Sammy did, look at the detail come in. So that gives you an example of a calibrated TV versus a broad setting for the TV set for everybody's TV versus a customized setting specifically for your TV. Please like and subscribe. You guys have a good one.